Squats are one of the easiest ways to get in amazing shape. In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if do 100 squats every day. So, watch the video till the end. It will be interesting. What muscles do squats work? Let's go. Squats are one of the simplest and most effective exercises. In most variations, it doesn't require any equipment, but it has many advantages. It is considered a complex exercise for the legs, but, in fact, it is aimed at several muscle groups at once. Squatting simultaneously pumps the quadriceps, buttocks, and hamstrings, coordinates flexion and extension in the hip and knee joints. Also, the calves' back muscles, abs, as well as the shoulders and upper body are involved in the work, which helps to improve posture and strengthen the spine. Benefits of squats: with regular squats, you can lose weight and get rid of cellulite. If squats done regularly, this exercise will help you lose weight by preventing cellulite and tone your thighs. To do this, you need to do weighted squats in several sets at a moderate pace. And to burn calories, you should try variations with cardio. Squats will strengthen the musculoskeletal system. As we age, bones become more porous and brittle, which not only leads to diseases such as osteopenia and osteoporosis, but also increases the risk of fractures. Especially dangerous is damage to the largest bone in the body, the femur. But it is important to know that it is connected to the largest muscle, the gluteus. Squats stimulate bone growth, reduce the risk of injury, and keep bones strong. Squats will speed up your metabolism. Squats can speed up your metabolism in several ways. First, the larger the involved muscle group, the more calories you will burn during the workout. Secondly, by becoming stronger and more resilient, you will exercise even more intensively, which will increase fat burning during exercise. And finally, building muscle mass will contribute to more active calorie burning around the clock due to a higher metabolic rate in muscles at rest. Squats will improve stretch and balance. It is a common misconception that strength training can only tense muscles and deprive you of flexibility. Researchers from the University of North Dakota found that weighted squats, on the contrary, improved stretching. Daily squats can also improve balance. To do this, you need to choose those exercise variations that are aimed at developing this component of physical fitness. For example, squats on one leg. Squats will strengthen the cardiovascular system. The tone of the heart muscle increases and blood flow to the heart and to the periphery improves. Squats will also improve endurance, as they positively affect the functioning of the respiratory system and increase the vital capacity of the lungs. Can you squat every day? Can you squat every day? Contrary to popular belief, trainers believe that daily squats are not capable of causing much harm. But it is important to limit the load, not overexert yourself, and monitor the body, giving it time to rest, and also complement this exercise with other types of physical activity. Squats proper form. How to do standard squats correctly. Spread your legs shoulder-width apart and slowly lower yourself down. Be sure to linger at the bottom point. Keep your hands either directly in front of you or hold them behind your head. The back should be straight and your breathing should be deep. Most common squat mistakes. To avoid the most common squat mistakes, follow these rules. First, do a warm. Before squats, it is worth warming up the muscles and joints. This way, you minimize the risk of injury. This is important, especially for the elderly. Second, keep your gaze straight and slightly up. Otherwise, your back will be rounded and the load on the intervertebral discs will increase. Third, squat slowly. Don't make sudden movements and jerks to avoid injury. Fourth, keep your balance. Keep balance, evenly distributing the load on both legs. Fifth, don't lift your heels off the floor. Make sure your feet are completely on the floor. Sixth, look at yourself from the outside. Practice in front of a mirror or videotape your squats. Thus, you will immediately see the shortcomings in your technique. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.